Hey guys, okay, so today we're going to do interpreting dot plots. I know yesterday we did how to make and unmake a dot plot. So yeah, you're going to be given dot plots and you'll be asked questions about them. That's what interpreting a dot plot means, okay? So we have this dot plot here. It says the number of apples each person bought at a supermarket, I guess on a day, okay? So it asks us how many people bought fewer than 6 apples. Okay, well, this is the number of apples. We go and we say, okay, fewer than 6. Fewer than does not mean it includes 6, so I have to do less than 6. So I count how many people bought less than 6 apples. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 data points below that. So the answer is 8. Okay. 8 people. Make sure you note your unit here, okay? And I'll just go ahead. 8 people bought fewer than 6 apples. Right? Now it asks us, what does the mean? Well, good thing that we already know how to find the mean. And if you recall, the mean is the average of all of the data points added together and then divided by the number of data points there are, right? So let's go ahead and figure that out. So yesterday what we did is we learned how to make a dot plot, but then also how to undo it and take the numbers from it. So we will be taking the numbers from this dot plot, adding them together, then dividing by how many numbers there are. So my numbers are 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, so 3 2's, 4 4, so plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, then plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, then plus 8 plus 8, and plus 10, okay? If I add all those together, it equals 61, right? Now let's count how many data points we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, okay? So we're going to take 61 and divide it by 13, okay? All right, the answer is approximately 4.7. Yep. So it's approximately 4.7. I rounded up to the nearest tenth, okay? So then the mean is that the average person bought about 4.7 apples. So 4.7, the unit here is apples. Okay, the average apples bought. Let's circle that. Okay. All right. So the median, we can do one of two things. Okay, we can list out our numbers like we just did here, and we can use that. I can, if I know there's 13 numbers, I can make my rainbow, or I can count in 6 numbers, and then the 7th will be my median. Or another way is just to use a dot plot. So I know there's 13 numbers, right? Well, in order to find the median, the middle of 13 is going to be the number 7. That will give me 6 numbers on one side and 6 numbers on the other. Or I can use this. So if I were to draw my rainbow, I'll go here to here, here to here, here to here, there to there, there to there, there to there, and then 4 is my median, okay? So what I was explaining a second ago is when I say I meant count 6, I know there's 13, it's an odd number. So there's going to be a middle, and there's going to be the same number of numbers on one side of the middle as there are the other. Because there's 13, there's going to be 1 in the middle, then 6 on one side and 6 on the other, okay? Or I could have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the 7th would have been my median, because then there are still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on that side. So there's more than one way of finding the median, or you can do the rainbow too, okay? So the median is 4 apples. Okay. All right, now it says, what was the most popular number of apples bought? Well, that's sort of an indirect way of saying mode, okay? The most popular number of apples bought would be the number with the most dots there, right? So the most popular would be 4 because 4 people bought 4 apples. So 4 apples. So saying most popular is another way of saying mode, okay? Okay. And the last question is, what on earth is someone going to do with 10 apples? I don't know if you have any thoughts on that. I'm kidding. Okay, make a pie maybe? I don't really know. All right, that's it for today. You can go ahead, take your notes, and then do your assignment. Thank you.